Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tamyia. Welcome and thank you to all my new subscribers. Today I have a new Temu dupes video for you. If you are new here, everything will be linked down below in the description box so you can easily find it. Quick disclaimer, sometimes by the time I get items from Temu, they may be sold out, or I have to find another version of it, or I may have to go on Amazon and find it. But I will try to link the Temu version because the price is always cheaper than the Amazon. I said version, but really just the one that's on the Amazon site because they're getting more money off of it. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with these Temu dupes. Seems like y'all like the Temu more than the Amazon just when it comes to my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Last thing, this Temu haul doesn't have as many items as the last Temu hauls, but I do have another one in the mail right now as we speak. So let's get into it with one of y'all's favorites, Van Cleef. I absolutely love these. They are so pretty and you can't go wrong with black. Look at that, so nice. And that's what it looks like from the side. Let me take it off real quick so y'all can see. This is what she looks like. Look at her. Can y'all see the little, there you go. So cute. Will definitely add a little bit of razzle dazzle to any outfit. And of course the little hoop that will connect it to your ear. There we are. Love these. Then I have a Tiffany inspired. Now we all know Tiffany from the Tiffany blue, the turquoise blue, but there is this cute red pendant that they have as well. Let me hold it up so y'all can see. So that's the red. And this is perfect for Valentine's. And then you can see the silver piece. It's kind of reflecting black because of my camera, but it's red and silver. And this is the chain that is on. And the hook looks as so. And there's definitely room to extend it. Really, really like this. Really cute, really dainty. And I will say that the silver chain is real silver. And the red pendant is real silver. The chain and the pendant are both marked with the 925. The silver one isn't marked with the 925, but it feels just like the red one. So maybe they just put the 925 on the red. I don't know. But I absolutely love this. Really, really cute for Valentine's Day. And it's real silver. So if you want to gift that to someone, significant other, daughter, is really, really cute. And it's real silver. Next I have a designer that I haven't showed y'all before on my channel, and that's Valentino. There you go. One's upside down. But that's what the Valentino earrings look like. Really, really pretty. Let me take it off the packaging so you can see better. The V. And then of course they're gonna hang in your ear as so. I really like these. They also had some really cute cubic zirconias and different things. And they're pretty lightweight as well. These are cute. Really easy to put in. Dress the outfit up. Make it really, really cute if you're dressed more comfortable. Yeah. I also have another pair of shades. These are by Fendi. Oh. They look as so. That's the side. I really like these. They did a good job with the F. On some of them, the F doesn't look that great. And if I move my here, up and down, side to side. They are on there, like they're not coming off. These look really cute on vacation. You want to be that girl during the summer. I like these. And just to show you, really, really cute. And then that's what they look like on the inside. These are nice. I like these. And they also came with their very own dust bag. So you will have a dust bag with them. I only have 3 more items to show you. And we're going to start with this Gucci inspired wallet. It's mainly for cards, I would say. This is what she looks like out of the packaging. And then if you unzip her, this piece comes out. So you can just carry it as so, or you could connect it to the inside of your purse. And so we have card slots on this side, and then we have card slots on this side as well. And I like that this one is clear for your ID if you just want to carry this. This is really convenient for various events that don't let you bring in purses. You can easily show your ID and then easily have your cards in the slots. There are 3 card slots on this side and 2 on this side. Well, technically 3 because your ID. And then this is what the inside looks like. So if you didn't want to put your cards on the outside, you could definitely put them on the inside. And I just like how you can, you know, carry it with you or connect it to the inside of your purse. And it just zips as so. Really, really cute, really convenient to have. This next item is a Burberry inspired makeup bag. Where is the opening? Okay, here we go. Sorry for all of the noise. And it looks as so, and it has silver hardware. And let me show you how much space is in it. So you could definitely use this for travel. Let's see. Let's open it up some. So yeah. And that's the silver hardware. And we have our Burberry design. And it just zips as so. I like this. This is cute. Really nice for travel or for home. And last but definitely not least, we have a Van Cleef bracelet. It is gold. Let me take it out of the packaging so y'all can see better. Let me see if I can make it stop. And then it has that much of a length to adjust it. And then the clasp looks as so. Really, really cute. Let me put it on so y'all can see. But that's what it looks like. That's all I have for this Temu dupes luxury video. I hope you enjoyed. My favorite pieces are the Van Cleef, the Tiffany, and the Gucci. So I really do recommend those pieces. My least favorite would probably be the Burberry makeup bag because it feels a little cheap, but I guess it is cheap. But I just want to give you my honest opinion. Let me know in the comment section if there's any items in particular that you really want to see in future videos, whether it be purses, shoes, just more earrings, more jewelry, you know, anything like that that you want to see. Let me know what your favorite item for this video is. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications for more, and I will see you next time. Bye.